This is a model of railway track crack detection system. So here we have two tracks, black in color. So here we can see the joints here on the left side and on the right side. So this is basically used to demonstrate the cracks present in the railway tracks. And so this is a vehicle used to test the cracks in the track, and this works with a 12-volt battery. And we have Arduino Uno board or display. Buzzer is there to indicate if the crack is present, and a motor driver and the power supply board. So here in the front you can find two infrared sensors, the right infrared sensor and the left infrared sensor, which is used to present the crack in the tire. So, and then here we have 4 buttons. In this, the first 3 buttons are being used. So the first button is used to test the vehicle moving forward. Yes, and if I press the second button, it moves backwards. That is just for the testing. And the third button is used to start the process. So first in the setup, I'll just make a gap between the tracks on the right side, and I'll start the vehicle now. So, it's moving. Yeah. So when the crack is present on the right side, it is detected. The right side crack is detected. Now we will demonstrate a crack to be found on the left side. Yeah. So this is a crack, and we'll start the vehicle. Display is left crack detected. So this is how it works. Thank you.